don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten?
What? Where did you come from? What do you want? You want food? Okay. Here you go, sir. Are you happy now? What?
I don't want a lot for Christmas.
What?
There is just one thing I need. I don't care about them presents underneath the Christmas tree.
What else?
I just want you for my own.
You.
More than you could ever know.
You.
Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas. You.
Be formless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot.
Oh!
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do ba do.
Double mom hug. Ready, Manners?
Yo, how the hell they got a lion in the back seat? And why is he staring at me? Wait, hold on, Coco, chill, bro. It's not even that.
Фу, снег лови, блядь. Та пизду їх.
Would you be Nina, Lemon, Saffron, Dave the Magical Cheese Wizard, Lychee?
Chase.
Are you kidding me?
Come on, he's gonna kill us.
What are you doing to my cat?
Dude, you're running our game.
He doesn't want to play your game.
No,
Come
man,
here,
he's having
Chase.
fun with me.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
He's having fun with me.
Let's go.
Come on, Chase. Come on, get back in the game.
Oh my
Here,
goodness.
get back in the game. I need.
He's fighting back. They're right above us, folks. And I don't like it a damn bit. Oh, my God. Look out. Oh, Ronnie! Look out, Ronnie! They killed
Here, kitty, you can has
I
cheeseburger.
hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more of this, please subscribe so that I can create more of this. Not necessarily for advertising or money. This is all just low budget, no cost, obviously. This is my longest video by far on my entire YouTube history, so I do hope you guys enjoy. And yeah, that's about it.